Okay, you're welcome to our chemistry class. In today's class, we'll be giving some insights into the periodic table. Okay, some of us as students have been asking about lectures on the periodic table. So today we're just going to give some ideas into the periodic table. The periodic table is grouped into we have groups. I'll have what period in the periodic table. Okay. Now, according to what we have here, we have groups from 1 to 8, the major groups. Okay, the major groups. That's 1 to 8. Then we have other groups between group 2. This is group 1. Okay, this is group 2. This is group 3. We can also call it 3A. Okay, or group 13, 14, and so on. This is group 4A, 5A, and so on. Okay. I'll also give the other names of these groups. We'll just give a brief lecture and then we'll continue in the next class. So on periods we have the periods. We have 7 of them. Now the periods are these numbers. Okay, the horizontal lines. Okay, while the groups are the vertical lines. The groups vertical, periods horizontal. Okay, now the groups actually have identical number of outermost shell electrons. Okay, groups same number of outermost electrons, while period have same number of electron shells. Period have same number of electron shells. Okay, I hope you're following. Now in the diagram on the board, we can see that this is group 1. Okay, made up of elements that have only one electron in their valence shell. Group 1 is made up of elements that have only one element in their valence shell, one electron rather in the valence shell. For example, group 1 we can have hydrogen. Okay, we can have lithium, we can have sodium, we can have potassium, okay, and so on. Now, if we were to write down the configuration of these elements here, which are non-metals, on group 1, we have 1. The next lithium is 2,1, sodium is 2,8,1, potassium is 2,8,8. Can you see that they both follow the same number of valence electrons? That's why they are in the same group. As we go down, group 1 all have the same one. Group 2 the same. Okay, group 2 can start with beryllium. Okay, we can also have magnesium, we can have calcium. If it's on group 2, okay, beryllium, that would be 2,2, magnesium is 2,8,2, calcium is 2,8,2. The same number of valence electrons, which is 2. Okay, that's for groups. But if you look at periods, periods have the same number of electron shells. For period 2, for instance, let me just rub this one. For period 2, we have 2,2, that's this. So you can see this, period 2. We have 2 number of electron shells. Now, as we proceed from here to here in this direction, the number of electrons in the outermost shell keep increasing. On period 2 now we have 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, until we get to 2, 8, which is now a noble gas. Okay, the shell completes and we come to period 3 again, begin another 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 2, until we get to 2, 8, 8. That is how the elements are put into their different groups and periods. Okay, these are also known as alkali metals. Okay, that's on group 1 because they are very reactive. Okay, they react oxygen to form basic oxides or alkali. These are also known as alkali metals between group 2 and group 3, which is from here to here. Okay, we have the transition metals. Okay, group 3, we also call them the boron family. Okay, we also have group 6, oxygen, sulfur. Okay, from 5 we have nitrogen in group 5. Okay, group 4 we have carbon. Group 7 we call them the halogens, and group 8, okay, those are the noble gases or rare gases. That's we have helium, we have neon. Okay, they all have the shells filled up, displaying either duplex or octet configuration. That's just a simple idea. And then over here we have the lanthanides and we have the actinides. Okay, and newly formed elements. All right, that's just a brief on the knowledge of the periodic table. We'll also give you a video briefly on the periodic properties of elements as we move from left to right in the period and from top to bottom in groups. I hope you enjoyed the class.